This is a smart device for cough detection. Our challenge is preventing the spread of infection diseases through medical methods for identifying potentially sick people in the early stages of the disease. How it works? The smart devices are placed in the room. The onboard decision-making devices capture the sound and process data detection code. Onboard decision-making device detect codes and only transmit the code data without recognizing or recording speech, ensuring the highest safety.